A couple days ago, I was watching a YouTube video and I found this comment. And I knew for a fact that it was a scam. But what I didn't know is I would rickroll that scammer. So today I'll be telling you how I rickrolled and tracked the IP address of an Illuminati scammer. When I saw this comment, I knew it was a scam because number one, the Illuminati isn't real, and number two, if it was real, then they wouldn't be talking on WhatsApp. So I typed the number in and said, "Hello, hi, how are you doing? Hey, I'm doing fine. Okay, I want to join the Illuminati. Okay, how do I join? Very simple. You just have to follow some basic steps. Okay. Again, if the Illuminati was real, it would be much harder to join than just a couple of basic steps. But anyways, he sent this really long message. But first, I need to earn your trust. Without trust, we can't go far. I want to let you know that I have helped a lot of people and I know you won't be the last. I just want you to give me a chance to prove myself to you, an Illuminati member, and you won't regret this. It's a promise. I trust you. Okay, would you like to join now or want to know more about the Illuminati? I want to know more about what I am joining. The real reason I said that was to actually waste a bit more of this scammer's time, and it obviously worked. Benefits of becoming a member. As a member, you have your rights to freedom. What we can offer you wealth, high position in an area of life, either workplace or in politics. We can offer you a long life. You will forever be happy. You'll be protected by the great light. We can offer you a lifestyle that you have been wanting. And a lot more broken English. But I responded to that with, I want to join this. Rewards given to new members who join Illuminati. A cash reward worth USD $70,000 after initiation. A new sleek dream car valued at USD, I think $80,000, but he just forgot the dot. A dream house bought in the country of your own choice. 1 month holiday fully paid to your dream tourist destination. 1 year golf membership package. A VIP treatment in all airports in the world. A total lifestyle change and a lot more. That sounds great. So, how do I join? Very simple. Let's get started. Are you ready? Yes. First, you're going to fill out a form I'm about to send to you. Okay. This form just asks for basic information and I sent it to him. But the main and cool thing is that there is a picture of supposedly me. And you can't actually reverse image Google search this because this is not a real person. This is completely fake. Send another picture. Why? Nothing in particular. Just send another picture. I don't feel that safe. I couldn't send you a lot after I entered the Illuminati. The real reason I couldn't send him another picture was because, first of all, this person that I just sent a picture of didn't even exist. So there was no other picture that I could send to him. But anyways, he said, okay. How do I join? You have to take this oath. Now video record it and send it back to us, okay? Say after me. From today onwards, I accept I'm obviously not gonna say the entire thing because I know that someone would use it out of context. But anyways, this guy's just asking me to record that. Okay, I will record it now. Okay, I recorded it on my computer webcam. Okay, send it over here. But before I send that video, I just want to make sure where he lives. So I asked him, but before I send it, where is the Illuminati headquarters? Each country has its own headquarters. Where's the headquarters in the United States? Sorry, I can't share the location with you until you become a full member. Smart. This guy doesn't want to send an address because he knows for a fact that there is no headquarters. Oh, where are you located? Georgia. Okay, I think I'm ready to become a full member. Okay then, send the video. And there we go. I sent him this link. And it isn't a link to me recording the video. This is actually a link to this video. Now, this wasn't some ordinary link to YouTube. This was actually a redirected link that I got on Grabify. And Grabify tracks his IP address. I was hoping for him to click on it so I could get his IP address and see if he really lives in Georgia. But he was actually a bit smarter and said, send the video here, not link. I sent the video. I don't know how to bring a video from my computer to my phone. Alright, could you send me the video through email? Okay, what is your email? Michael Collin number at gmail.com. Okay, I sent you an email. I sent him a video through Gmail, and it wasn't a video where I recorded myself saying that oath. It was this. Waiting. It's taking a while for my computer to load. I don't understand. Are you playing with me? Did you see the video? You sent me a music video and asking me if I sent the video. I just rickrolled a scammer, but this isn't just it. You just got rickrolled a scammer, and I tracked your IP. When I sent him that email, I wasn't checking Grabify because I thought he was smart. But after I rickrolled him, I decided to check Grabify one more time. And it said that someone from Lagos, Nigeria clicked on it. I'm not completely sure if he saw my email, but I really hope that he saw my email because if he watched the video, then that means that I rickrolled him twice and tracked his IP address. What is my location? Africa. Where in Africa? Lagos. Where in Lagos? There are some numbers on Grabify, but I don't know what they mean. But this was still really funny. I just wasted 1 hour of the scammer's time, possibly rickrolled him twice, and tracked his IP address. And for any of you guys asking how this scam works, I think what happens is after I send a video, that guy would ask me to send a specific amount so he could print out an Illuminati recruitment card. And then after I pay the amount, he would probably just block me. But I know for a fact that this is a scam because he is literally from Lagos, Nigeria, while saying he was from Georgia. But anyways, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel because that will really help out YouTube algorithm. But until next time, I'm Logical Shree.